When you say what's up, we say the sky is up. Because
I live on the ground.
Okay.
I just don't know what is
talking about situation on the ground is like this. Mad Minox says to I've got a business proposal that I want to make with him because he just decided just to pay Nyao some money.
Can you highlight it to everybody?
Just paid a token of
appreciation
of a panadol for the king, just because very soon I'll be lighting up the flame of the country very soon, and Maston, he will be there.
But
elaborating Malawi, we've got this building in Malawi.
How can you have the building?
Parliament building. It's also found in the Malawian money currency.
All right.
Yeah. Just to show that I'm a king.
So how close are you to the Malawians? I mean your relationship. How are you attached to them?
We are attached like this. My grandfather comes from Malawi. My grandmother is from Zimbabwe. It's deeply rooted stone.
Where in Zimbabwe?
Where exactly?
Great Zimbabwe. The ruins. She's the owner of the ruins.
Sure, you cannot say that. You need to say your grandmother belongs to my rural home.
Yeah,
sure.
So everyone used to reside there.
Everybody used to reside there. Until what happened? Why did people leave Great Zimbabwe and decided to come and live here and leave the stone buildings?
Like before, the history tells us. You elaborating history as it is.
Exactly.
Like where we come from, we just came from the Stone Age. So people were just elaborating about stone. And some people just think just Jesus is stone, God is stone. You see, people believe in stones. You see.
So that's why Great Zimbabwe was there, because they had a strong belief in stones.
Because someone said no one can move mountains. Then the ruins were... Some demon said in the Bible, Jesus moved mountains. It's part of the temptations.
Temptations is the one who was singing in America.
The temptations, I'm not saying about the temptations the singers. They are also, there's, here in Mbare, there's also, I don't want to speak about it.
But talk about it. This is our opportunity to hear from you. You
find an opportunity to find the house of temptation in Majubek.
When the big guns start shooting, I think those are the...
Where's Majubek?
Yeah. In the Joburg lines, you've got the Joburg lines in Mbare, Harare in Zimbabwe. There's also Mbare. There's also Harare in South Africa, Cape Town. Harare.
What geography did you
Harare. The place is called Harare because it's full of Zimbabweans.
All right.
Yeah.
Have you ever been there?
Yeah, I've been in Harare.
You've been in Harare?
Yeah.
You describe the Harare that you have in Cape Town and the Harare that we...
The Harare that we have here, the Harare we have here is a city of Harare. The Harare, they have it's a squatter of Harare.
In Cape Town?
They don't even have toilets. They don't even...
Master, are you very sure if we go to the Robert Mugabe International Airport, we board a plane, we'll go and see a squatter camp called Harare?
Yeah.
In Joburg?
That is if you don't... that is if you don't edit this video.
No, we don't.
No, we don't add anything.
Or the people who are living in Harare.
So, okay,
to alternatively attach some of the things using orbits.
When should we
just
leave?
to make us mad. Just
when should we go?
They use Gwala in Tokoloshi.
They use what?
Gwala in Tokoloshi.
What do you mean? We don't understand.
It's a part of a temptation habit that they have in South Africa. They say they sell goblins everywhere.
Huh? What are goblins?
It's more of a talisman.
What are you saying now?
Oh yeah, it's like when I give you something like this, yeah, and like that, I can sell it.
It's a goblin.
Yeah, I'm just saying, if I believe in stones, if I give you this, And I say you have to keep in your wardrobe. Then you bring food in the wardrobe for just to live in the wardrobe. Tomorrow morning, then you find some money without even working.
With this stone like so?
With that type of a stone.
Maston.
That is part of South Africa.
Okay, when can we leave for South Africa so that I can also see these things?
That is very easy. We'll be traveling with Mad Minox, with the camera and the crew behind the scenes. That will be very interesting.
No, we want an exact...
So why are you involving me in all this Tokoloshi
Because
thing?
parts and parcels are, the king is looking for money before the presidential guard gives him money.
Which king?
Me, Maston is the Lord himself. Long live King Maston. Everyone is going to lie down when the time comes.
Long live King Master.
I am the terror, the blacks and the knives.
Right.
I'm going to bow before my Maston.
So we're gonna bow down our heads to you
Everyone is going to bow.
Sure.
Yeah.
in front of you.
When you use a bird, it's going to attack. When you use a heartbeat, it's going to attack back. When you use a weapon of mass destruction, just like Leon Schuster with the samosas and you playing Gwara Gwara. When you talk more about Gwara Gwara,
So what will you...
because I'm Zulu.
All right, Maston, forget about the Tokoloshi. What do you think about that guy, John Shobu? I gotta get Zambanje.
John Shop. Which one?
That guy.
That guy.
Yeah.
He's gone fat and out of shape just because he's not smoking.
But don't you think it's a good idea?
It's not a good idea just because he's just gone out of shape.
But Maston, do you think these drugs will let you have a good life or they're actually ruining your life?
Yeah, at least you can ring a bell.
Yeah.
You see?
So you think he's not healthy because he left Ganja?
He has to smoke before he dies.
No.
Because he can die in very soon. You have to smoke. John Sharp.
For the shop.
He was supposed to be a Silverstone Boyerman with Thompson.
Right.
Alongside the late Marley. Yeah, we have our Marley here.
So they're supposed to be together.
Yeah, they were supposed to work every
But
day.
Male wasn't the judge.
Yeah, just for the king. For me to smoke.
For the king to smoke.
Yeah.
So you're the one who's creating problems and you make
I just made-
smoke marijuana here.
He's back.
Who's back? Wangu.
Dingo.
Alan.
This one is Dingo. My brother's name is Deconomodatius. He's not a Rastaman. Right now he's in a Buddha style. In God hair.
Yeah, Dingo.
We are live on camera on Wi-Fi. Wake up.
Dingo, what do you think?
Halloween, don't be afraid.
And we are gonna get Zambanje. What? No funga saying that.
But I think that type of decision doesn't work for you because he's going out of shape.
It's going too much big.
Yeah.
Come big.
Smoke. You should start exercising
Come big.
and stop driving for a while. That would be something that the psychiatrist should talk about to people like this. Should pay a lot of money about speaking to you. So I just told you what a psychiatrist is to prescribe for you.
But Master,
What do I need? You just need to to exercise and stop smoking, or to start smoking just for the king.
So you mean to say you're the king who is inspiring all these ghetto youths to keep on smoking, marijuana,
There are other people
all
who
that
should
stuff?
smoke.
But no, when you say
Like
smoke,
me, I am the only one who should smoke because I know the intelligence which is in the whiskey itself.
there's
is weed.
intelligence in the whiskey.
Yeah, at the back of the Bible there's a doctrine seed.
There's what?
For the wise.
At the back of the what?
Bible, there's the doctrine seed of the wise.
The doctrine seed of the wise.
That is the Marojo one. Not for you.
I know.
Yeah. And at our national symbol of our flag, there is a star.
Are you very sure?
That star is Marojo one just for me, just because I'm intelligent enough. It's a bed. There's an inscription at the bed. And all the colors, if you mix you can make any color through color coding the national flag of Zimbabwe.
Okay.
The rest of you Tokoloshi study washes the back. The rest of you Tokoloshi study washes the back must know this is stage, me. What do you mean? You're the king of nothing. King of Mangurenje. Guara. There's no Guara in Mangurenje.
Do you plan these things or you just say them out of somewhere else where we don't know? Why is it you're so creative?
I'm so creative because I know good over evil and I believe in life after death. And I also believe that I cannot die.
Life after death. You believe in that?
Long live Maston.
Long live Maston.
Maston, long live Maston.
Long live.
Long live King Maston!
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, long live King Maston.
Long live King Maston.
So,
But as a king, people should learn to respect me worldwide because I said. You say
Alright,
so.
now, okay, long live Maston.
long live King Maston.
Thank you for
Your last words, long live.
What do you want?
my last words are
You're listening.
we have the presidential guard in Zimbabwe who is elected by everyone. We should learn to abide to his laws and regulations because Interpol is grabbing with Prince.
Okay.
Cats.
Long live
Long live King Maston.
King Maston.
Thank you so much.
King Master.
Ashkas.
Thank you.
Ashkash.
Ashkas, Vishkas, was Tagamon.
Yeah.